Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So in this video I'll explain each and every single feature of this mobile. First of all, let me tell you why this is called as FE. Because this is a fan edition mobile which has to bring those S21 Ultra and S21 Plus S21. Those are high-end flagships. To bring those mobiles features and experience in the mid-range, the Samsung has introduced the fan edition in lot of colors. So I'll explain everything about this mobile in this video. So let's start with the display size. Yeah, this mobile comes with a 6.55 inches of medium size display, and it is a Full HD plus resolution 120Hz refresh rate display, and it is a display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And this mobile also comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor or the Exynos 2100 processor. I think these have to confirm. Yeah, this is the only thing that does not confirm until now. That but this is confirmed that this mobile will come with the 5G support. Yeah, this is a confirmed feature. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and also 8GB RAM, 256GB of internal storage. There are also rumors like this mobile also comes with a expandable memory slot, that means a hybrid SIM slot for the expansion of memory. And this mobile also comes with a 3.5mm jack. Yeah, this is the biggest thing I have shocked after hearing that from a website. And this mobile also comes with a triple camera setup at the rear side, not that bad setup. 64 megapixels of main wide angle and a 12 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and also a 5 megapixels of third camera. I think that is used for macro shots. And this mobile also can shoot up to 4K 60 fps videos with that mobile's back camera, and it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing punch hole selfie camera. We can shoot up to 1080p 60 fps. And this mobile comes with a decent amount of battery, that is a 4500 mAh of battery, and it supports 25 watts of fast charge. Yeah, I would say medium charge. And this mobile also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner and glass back and metal frame and glass front. It also comes in 4 different colors: blue, black, white, and also I think violet color. So this is all about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. And when we talk about the pricing, this is the major section we have to think about this mobile buying. This mobile will come with the price range of 60 to 65,000 rupees. These are not confirmed. This is a rumored price. So let's see when this mobile releases, with what are the prices of this mobile. By the way, this mobile will be released at the end of this month or starting of the June. This is not confirmed. So that's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel.